100 kilometers per hour. It's cool, nobody's on the street. Which is 95, and it takes 18.2. Okay. Set 230. Driving 130. And go to our consumption and reset. There we go. Control 60, and so amazingly flat here. With 60 it takes 6 kilowatt. 7. Next 70.